It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Take a deep breath. You're just having a little anxiety attack. It's okay, sweetie. I'm here. I'm here, baby. Everything's gonna be okay, I promise, alright? Okay? I'm here to protect you, okay? You're gonna be safe with me. Okay? I'm gonna keep you safe. I promise. Nothing's gonna happen, okay? Nothing's gonna happen to my beautiful girl, okay? And I felt this. I felt this weird pull towards you, like I had to go say hi. But I was nervous. I was so nervous. But I knew that I couldn't let this moment pass. So I got the courage to come up to you and we started talking. And I can honestly tell you that was the best decision I have ever made. From a simple hi, everything changed. My whole life changed. And honestly, I didn't know something so small would lead us to this. Here. Together. I'm really glad. I'm really glad that I walked up to you that day. Here, baby, let me hold you. Oh, your heart is so racing so fast, it's okay. Let me hold you, it's okay, breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Good. Everything's gonna be okay, alright? I love you so much and everything's gonna be okay. Just take a deep breath, my princess. Okay, my beautiful baby. Okay? Everything's gonna be okay and I love you so much, okay? You are my everything, okay, baby? Alright? I love you so much. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. You're with me now. And you're safe. And all you gotta do is just relax into my arms and everything's gonna be okay. Just relax into my arms now. Don't you feel so relaxed now? Yeah? So relaxed in my arms right now. Doesn't it feel like a cloud? Nice warm cloud, you lying here. Everything's gonna be okay, princess. I'm here to protect you, okay? And I'll never let you go. Yeah, do you feel better now? Good. I'm glad you feel better, okay? You're so cute. You got me worried a little bit there. You did, I'm always concerned about you, sweetheart. I'm like, always concerned about you. Well, what am I gonna do with you? But I'm glad you're better now. I'm glad. Okay. Can I get you something? Maybe some water? Alright, I'll get you some water, okay? Here you go, sweetheart. I got you some tea, okay? There you go. Hey, don't drink it too fast. It's really, really hot, okay? I love you. You do. I love you so much. Sometimes I don't express it as much as I want to, but I really, do have a hard time expressing how much I love you, but I want to let you know that you mean the world to me, and you're my everything, and I'm just so lucky to have you, and I'm working on myself so I can express more. You're cute. But I'm glad you're feeling better, and you mean the world to me. You do. You're literally the most amazing person I've ever met in my whole life. Hey baby, just scoot over a bit really quick here. Okay. Here, come in closer now. Cuddle with me. Good. I just wanted to cuddle with you a bit. I just love holding you into my arms. I do. It's like my favorite thing in the world is to take you and just hold you into my arms like this. Do you feel better? You feel a lot better now, huh? That's good. That's good. I'm glad you feel better, I just want to make you feel really, really good at all times. I just want you to feel amazing. Of course, baby, I love you. I do. I love you so much. You have no idea how much I love you. You are literally my everything. You're my pride and joy. And I love spending every single moment looking at you, especially like this. Do you remember the day we first met? I do. I remember it like it was yesterday. I really do. It's so clear to me. I mean, that day I was just going about my day, and I didn't expect anything special. And then I walked into this small coffee shop. The one with the cozy chairs and the smell of coffee in the air. Yeah, that one. And as I walked in, I saw you. I saw you sitting there by the window, just looking outside, and I don't know why, but there was something about you that caught my attention.